Weather Service in Milwaukee Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Milwaukee County in southeastern Wisconsin, northeastern Racine County in southeastern Wisconsin, southeastern Waukesha County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 6 p.m. At 5:11 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near North Prairie, or near Wales, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Milwaukee, Racine, Waukesha, New Berlin, Greenfield, Oak Creek, Mount Pleasant, Muskego, South Milwaukee, Cudahy, Greendale, Hales Corners, Mukwonago, Sturtevant, Wales, Wind Lake, North Prairie, Wind Point, Big Bend, and Waterford North. People attending outdoor testing at Aurora South Shore and Cudahy should seek safe shelter immediately. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The severe thunderstorm warning.